Today we are going to mix baking soda and vinegar to create a volcanic eruption. Vinegar and baking soda are both particles. We mix these particles together and that's what creates the volcanic eruption. This displays a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is where you mix two substances together and create a new substance. This displays the law of conservation of mass too. The law of conservation of mass states you can't create or destroy mass, but you can move it to new places. How this applies to our experiment is that there are carbon dioxide hiding in the baking soda, and when you mix it with the vinegar, the carbon dioxide detach from the baking soda particles and release into the air as carbon dioxide gas, which is how the volcanic eruption occurs. So here we have our vinegar from the vinegar bottle, and then you just add your baking soda and there's our volcanic eruption. If you liked this experiment, try it at home and see if you can create an even bigger eruption.